In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of an epic in Jira. This is a simple yet effective way to organize your projects and differentiate between various tasks and epics at a glance. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to refine your project management skills, this guide will help you customize your workflow to better suit your needs. First things first, navigate to the Jira main page. This is where you'll start your journey towards adding a splash of color to your epics. Jira's intuitive interface makes it easy to find what you're looking for, so don't worry if you're not yet familiar with the layout. Upon reaching the Jira main page, you'll want to direct your attention to the Your Work section. It's a straightforward step, but crucial for keeping your projects organized and accessible. Think of it as your command center, where you can quickly access all your ongoing projects. Next, you will see an option labeled Projects. Click on this. It's your gateway to all the projects you're involved with. Whether you're managing a single project or juggling multiple, this is where you make your selection and dive into the details. Now it's time to choose your project from the list provided. Each project has its unique setting and requirements, and it's here that you start to tailor the experience to fit your needs. Selecting your project is like choosing which book to read from a library. You're about to dive into the specifics that make your project unique. Once you've selected your project, navigate to the backlog section. This is where all the action happens, from task assignments to sprint planning. Your backlog is the backbone of your project, containing all the tasks and epics that need your attention. Within the backlog, you'll need to select the epic you wish to modify. Think of epics as large containers for your tasks. They help you group related activities, making it easier to manage complex projects. Selecting an epic is the first step in making it truly yours, by customizing its appearance to reflect its importance or category. After selecting your epic, look for the View All Details option. This is where you'll find the nuts and bolts of your epic, everything from its description to its due date. More importantly, this is where you'll change its color. Now, to the main event, changing the color of your epic. You'll notice before the epic's name a color box that symbolizes its current hue. Clicking on this box is like opening a palette of colors, each one ready to represent your epic in a new light. Whether you choose a bright color to signify urgency or a cooler hue for long-term tasks, this is where you make your epic stand out at a glance. Remember, the color you choose can say a lot about the epic itself. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a visual language for your project that can help you and your team quickly assess priorities and categorizations without needing to dive into the details each time. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to change the color of an epic in Jira. It's a small change, but one that can greatly enhance the visual organization and prioritization of your projects. As you get used to Jira's customization options, you'll find more ways to tailor your project management experience to better suit your workflow and preferences. Experiment with different colors to see what works best for you and your team. Remember, the goal is to make your project management as efficient and clear as possible, and sometimes a splash of color is all it takes to bring order to chaos.